Good morning, student. Welcome to e-learning classes. Myself Ashok Kumar, Modern English School, New Area branch. Again, student, lesson 10, quadrilateral, and today is MCQ, multiple choice question. Here, student, question number 29. If the area of parallelogram, with side A and B, suppose this side is A and this side is B, is A, this area is equal to A, and that of a rectangle, that means area of rectangle is side is A and B, and this side is also B. Then what is the relation between A and B? If A and B are equal, A is greater than B, A is less than B, and what is the relation between parallelogram as well as rectangle? Okay, student. So here, student, we know that area of rectangle is equal to L into B. That means L into B, that means A into B, and this value is equivalent to B. We can say here B. So we have a information capital B is equal to A into B. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Here, students, suppose this is the height and here makes 90 degree. We know that this is the altitude height. So we can say here base into height. That means base is the A and height is all H. So we can say here A into H. This value is equivalent to A. So student, here look at here, A and A is matching and B and H. So we have to find what is the relation between B and H. Okay, here make the 90 degree, this side is B, so this side is also B. So we can say here B is always greater than the H. That means H is less than B, always H is less than B, because here make 90 degree. We know that the opposite side of a bigger angle is the bigger, and this angle is almost less than the 90 degree. So this side is also a smaller side. So we can say here H is always less than the B. So this value is less than this value. This value is less than this value. That means A is less than B. So here one make the relation A is less than B due to height. A is less than B. If suppose if both are same, then A is equal to B. But here the relation is A is less than B. So option C is right. Okay, student. Here the next question is 32 number. The parallelogram of the trapezium. That means make the trapezium here, student. This is the trapezium. A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D are the trapezium whose parallel sides are A and B. Respectively. The line joining the midpoint of a non-parallel side. Suppose M and N are the midpoint of the non-parallel side and join it. Okay, student. Join the midpoint of the non-parallel side will be. What will be the happen here? So construct here, student. This question already discussed in a previous example. Suppose this point is O. Suppose, student, this point is O. So student, take here in triangle ADB. In triangle ADB. Look at the triangle. In triangle ADB. M is the midpoint of AD. M is the midpoint of AD. M is the midpoint of AD, and MO या MN is parallel to AB. MN is parallel to AB. Yeah, MO is parallel to AB. Look at, write down here. MN is parallel to AB. In bracket, MO is parallel to AB. Okay, so O is also midpoint of BD. O is also midpoint of BD. So M and O are the midpoint. So according to midpoint theorem, MO is equal to 1 by 2 AB. MO is equal to 1 by 2 AB. So we can write here 1 by 2 in place of AB is equal to A. This is equation first. In second equation, again take the another triangle. In triangle BCD. In triangle BCD. In triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, O and N both are the midpoint. That means take any one. N is the midpoint BC. N is the midpoint of BC. So ON is parallel to DC. ON is parallel to DC. So again O is also, again O is midpoint. Again O is midpoint of BD. So again write down the relation. ON is equal to 1 by 2 DC. ON is equal to 1 by 2 DC. So 1 by 2 DC is equal to B. This is equation second. Okay student, this is equation first and this is equation second. So we can write here MN is equal to MO plus ON. MN is equal to MO plus ON. So this is the 1 by 2A plus 1 by 2B. Take 1 by 2 is the common. So the rest value is A plus B. So the rest value is A plus B. Mn is equal to 1 bata 2 A plus B. This is your proof. The non-parallel side will be this one. The non-parallel side will be this one. Okay student, I hope you will understand question number 29 as well as question number 32. The next question is question number 35. In the given figure, ABCD is a rhombus. Here student, this is the rhombus and AC and BD are the diagonal. Bisect each other at 90 degree. Means each and every angle here is the 90 degree. Okay. Then what is the relation? Four relations are given here student. What is the relation between them? Okay. So we can say here OA is equal to 1 by 2 AC. OA is equal to 1 by 2 AC. We know that diagonal of a rhombus bisect each other. Diagonal of a rhombus bisect each other. That means OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. So we can say here OA is equal to half AC and OB is equal to half BD. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, that means in triangle AOB, in triangle AOB, in triangle AOB, AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. So here AB square is equal to OA is equal to half AC, that means AC by 2, AC by 2 का whole square plus BD by 2 का whole square. So AB square is equal to AC square divided by 4 plus BD square divided by 4. Take here LCM. AB square is equal to 4 is the LCM. So AC square plus BD square. 4 is multiply here. So 4AB square. 4AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. So this is the relation of this rhombus. 4AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. This is your final answer. Look at here, student, which option is right. Okay, student. So question number 35 is completed, and the last question is question number 36. In a trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to CD. That means this line is parallel to this line. Then AC square plus BD square is equal to what? A student, for your kind information, one thing remember, this question is related to class 10. Okay, here two relation is written here. This relation is proved in a class 10. So a student, remember this relation. Make here perpendicular on AB, means D and DM is perpendicular to AB, and CN is also perpendicular to AB. So here, student, in triangle ABC, in triangle A, B and C, in triangle ABC, here angle AB is the acute angle. In triangle ABC, B angle is the acute angle. That means angle B is less than 90 degree. So what is the relation here? AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square minus 2AB into this one AM. Okay, so this is equation first. Again, student, in triangle ABD, in triangle A, B and D, here angle A is the acute angle. Here angle A is the acute angle. That means you have taken two relation. First one is the angle B is the acute angle, and second one is the angle A is the acute angle. So angle A is the acute angle. So here BD square is equal to AD square plus AB square minus 2AB into BN. Take another side. Okay, so BN, this is equation second. So here, student, equation 1 plus equation 2, AC square plus BD square. AC square plus BD square is equal to BC square plus AD square, BC square plus AD square plus AB square. That means we can write here 2AB square, 2AB square minus 2AB into AM minus 2AB into NB. Okay, so BC square plus AD square plus, what is the common between them? 2AB. 2AB is the common because AB and AB are 2 and 2. So we can take 2AB is the common. Then the rest value is AB minus AM minus NB. So student, BC square plus AD square plus 2AB. Look at here, AB means complete side AB minus am, this value cut down, and minus bm, this value. That means ab minus am minus bn is equal to mn. So we can write here directly mn. We know that if here if dm perpendicular to ab and cn perpendicular to ab, then this side is the parallelogram, so this side is equal to this side, so mn is equal to dc. So finally, student, we can write here bc square plus ad square plus 2ab into cd. This relation is called AC square plus BD square. So then what is the relation of AC square plus BD square? AC square plus BD square is equal to, so AC square plus BD square is equal to BC square plus AD square plus 2AB into CD. This is your final answer. Okay student, I hope you will understand question number 36. So student, your homework is make MCQ question number 21 to 40. Make MCQ question number 21 to 40. Okay student, make MCQ question number 21 to 40. If you have any query, if you have any problem, ask the question. Thank you.